dating. Parents ko. Kasi nga they've kept me so sheltered all my life. Nagulat sila. Parang ha?
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Yun.
Nakatakot ka. Kasi bisita ulit sa niya. Hindi na lang.
My mom had to stay with me here in Manila. Kasi nga dito we live in San Pablo. So she had to come to Manila and she stayed with me para bantayan ako. Tapos dumating sa point na all our dates, my mom would go with us na yun yung naging deal with my dad na sige, you can continue but your mom has to stay with you in Manila and she has to go with you.
Talagang di namin na mapigilan. Hindi sasaya.
Oh, no, no, no.
Sobrang dati talaga almost every day inom, almost every day sa labas.
Sabi mo may sugat eh.
So,
Parang gumaling.
Dumating si Shari as in nagbago. So, you're 60.